Okay, quick video on the Mazda 3 2006 auxiliary cord installation. This trim right here has to come off first. You want to pull up from here, here, and here. The right corner is going to be stuck because there's a tab. So when these three are pulled up, you're going to pull to the left, and the very end is kind of like a hook. So you don't want to pull up on the right because you might break it. So pull up those three things just with your fingers. Then there's two screws. One there, and you can pull the whole assembly back. Do not pull from the middle or this plastic might come off. You want to pull from the actual tabs. So there, and there's the cord. It's just going to plug right in the back here, and that will leave you with a auxiliary port for your phone, or if you want, you can adapt this to a Bluetooth receiver and then get Bluetooth. That's it. Put it all back together. Should take you 10-15 minutes.